Here's the review of this airplane pillow. This is where it attaches to the headrest, 1 and 2. It's adjustable. This is all Velcro, like this. And for the eyes, it's really, really soft and comfortable to sleep. It attaches like this. Has the soft back as well. I got mine with the chin rest as well. You can attach it like this. So everything is super adjustable, like that. I took this on an airplane ride and it was really comfortable because you could just slip this over your head and leave and come back. Super easy without even taking this whole thing apart, and it always stays on your headrest. This keeps your head from wobbling over forward. Very comfortable. It gives you more support for your head, so you feel more supported and relaxed on your airplane. I highly recommend.